Describe a period in history which has always interested you. You should say, when did it happen? What happened? Why are you interested in? And explain who told you about it. One period in Indian history that has always fascinated me is the Mauryan Empire, which existed between 321 BCE and 185 BCE. The Mauryan Empire was a vast and powerful kingdom that ruled over much of the Indian subcontinent, and it left a lasting legacy in terms of politics, culture, and administration. The Mauryan Empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya, a warrior and strategist who defeated the Nanda dynasty and established his capital in Pataliputra, in present-day Bihar. Chandragupta's reign was characterized by the centralization of power, the expansion of territory, and the implementation of policies that promoted trade, agriculture, and social welfare. He was succeeded by his son Bindusara and his grandson Ashoka, who became the most famous Mauryan emperor. Ashoka is known for his conversion to Buddhism and his efforts to promote peace, morality, and tolerance. He erected inscriptions and edicts all over his empire, including the famous Pillars of Ashoka, which conveyed his teachings and principles. Ashoka's empire was marked by the establishment of a vast network of roads, hospitals, universities, and public works, as well as the promotion of art, literature, and science. I am interested in the Mauryan Empire because it was a period of great political and cultural achievements, and it laid the foundations for much of the subsequent history of India. The Mauryan Empire was a model of efficient and benevolent governance, which inspired later Indian rulers and thinkers. Its legacy can be seen in the principles of nonviolence, compassion, and social justice that are still relevant today. Moreover, the Mauryan Empire witnessed a flourishing of art, literature, and philosophy, which produced some of the most enduring works of Indian civilization. In summary, the Mauryan Empire is a period in Indian history that has always fascinated me because of its political, cultural, and intellectual richness, and its enduring legacy. It was a time of great innovation and achievement, which shaped the destiny of India and influenced the world beyond.